Hi first graders, today we are going to be talking about graphs using tally marks, okay? So I have an example here and this is a tally chart. We can see that all of our data in our graph is shown with tally marks. We have a title for our graph, it's called favorite color. And then you can see the colors along the side and then the tally marks showing how many people voted for that color. Okay, so looking here, we can count these up. Let's do it together, get a marker ready. We're going to look at the first color on our tally chart. So the first color is red, and we can see that red has 2 tallies. So over here, I'm just going to mark it with a 2. 2 people voted for red. Now let's look at orange. We have 1 bundle, and we talked about how 1 bundle of tallies is 5, and then we have some singles over here. So we go 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 people voted for orange. Then we have yellow. Yellow got 2 bundles of 5, so that would be 5 and 5, which would make it 10, plus 1 more, which would be 11. 5, 10, 11. Next we have green. Green got 4 tally marks. And then finally blue, and it has 1 bundle and then 2 more. So 5 plus 2 is 7. So there is our data from our tally chart. Now you guys today are not only going to be doing something similar to this, but you're also going to be answering questions about this graph. Some of the questions might be like, which color got the most votes? In this case, using this graph, it would be yellow. Yellow got the most votes. Another question might be, which color got the least or the fewest votes? And in looking at this graph, that would be red, which got 2. Some of the other questions might be like, who voted for green and blue? So then you would take the number that voted for green and the number that voted for blue and add them together. And the last type of problem you might see on your quiz is something that might say how many more people voted for one color over another. So what if it said how many more people voted for green than red? That's when you would want to take the number of green, which would be 4, and subtract the number of red, which is 2, and your answer would have been 2. So all you are doing in your Google Classroom today is looking at a graph. It won't be this one, it'll be about cookies and little boys who have eaten them, and then you're going to answer some questions about it.